Okay, I've got a dirty one for you today. Not that kind of dirty, but it'll finish clean. Have you thought about the areas of your bathroom that you have not cleaned in a long time? They're the forgotten spots that you never think of, but if you look really close, they're gonna be pretty darn nasty. Well, I'm gonna go over 6 that I have thought of in my bathroom here, show you what those are. Actually, I'm not gonna do 6. I'm gonna give you a bonus one at the end. So I'm gonna do 7, even though there's probably 30, but I'm picking the top 7 that I'm gonna go over today that you should really take some time to take a really close look and give it a clean. So let's jump into the first one. Okay, the first one lives right down there. This little drain plug. When you pull it out and you look on the underside and then you look down in there, oh my gosh, this is gonna need some cleaning. So I'm gonna get started with grabbing my handy dandy little old toothbrush, not current toothbrush, and let's get into this and show you what we gotta do. Okay, so on this guy, mine actually unscrews, so I'm gonna unscrew this. And then in between here is all kinds of junk. So, a little bit of water, a little bit of toothbrush, scrubbing in between there. Oh, that's already much better, much better. And if you do this once in a while, it doesn't take long at all. Boom, that is clean. This guy. And anytime you see black coming off, that's when you know it's been too long. Like there in my fingers in the sink, all this black. Little rinse. Okay, put the top back on. I wonder if the other ones are gonna be as bad as this. Back in there, done. Number 2 is not far from the drain. It is right up underneath this faucet here. Some of them just unscrew and you can unscrew it and then clean it well and screw it back in. My little filter thing does not actually unscrew. It's a little bit kind of plastic rubbery thing. So all I do is get this wet and then just kind of scrub back and forth every once in a while right underneath there, and it cleans that up. But look at that closely and get that guy cleaned up. Okay, the next one. Ew is right here. The bottom part of a shower door. If you have a glass shower door that opens and closes, you've got this plastic little squeegee swiper thing on the bottom here. And I can tell getting down low like this, underneath here and along this edge, not good. Get a magic eraser. These things are awesome for this. And get up inside and underneath this and swipe all along the edge. Clean on the outside along the bottom, go to the inside along the bottom, but take a really close look at this bottom edge right here. This is, oh boy, not good at all. This really needs to be cleaned up. And it's a forgotten part that just all kinds of stuff can live in. So check the bottom edge of the plastic piece that's at the bottom of the glass shower door. We always look to get the glass, but not the bottom. Hey, what are you guys doing in the shower with me? Oh, that's right, we're on to number 4. Number 4, shower heads, these little tiny ports. Now, my particular one here has these little rubber ports, so you can scrub them with a toothbrush, or what they say is turn the water on and you rub them back and forth like this, and they clean that way. That's per manufacturer specs. Now, you can also get a bowl of like CLR if it's really coated in calcium, and actually plunge that bowl up over the entire head. They don't recommend it on mine. Mine is just rubbing all of this. So, if we turn this guy on, it's just rubbing like this all around all of it to get this nice and clean, nice and clean. And you do that around the whole thing and it'll be good. And if you happen to have a hand shower head, don't forget that one too. That one's a little easier because you can take it down and really look at it close and rub all of those. But that's how you clean all these guys. You just rub, rub, rub. All right. Okie doke. On to the next. Okay, on to number 5. Now I haven't checked this, but I'm suspecting that underneath this, oh, I can feel it. And I can see it already. Yeah, very dirty. So if we look to the inside of our light fixtures, unscrew the bulb, take a rag, and give them a nice swipe all the way around the inside. We wipe down the outside all the time, but how often do we actually get to the inside? And one little tip, should I be doing this with the power on? No, I probably should have turned the lights off before I unscrewed this, but I like to live dangerously. So there you go. Check the inside of any lights, especially if they face up. We've got another bathroom where the lights face up. Those get really bad. Okay, on to number 6. That thing right there. Oh my gosh, we must live like animals. I can see the crap on the outside of this grill. We've got to clean that grill. And that's what's visible. And I think we need to do a little more than that and clean on the inside. So let's fire up the old vacuum cleaner. I know it's loud, but I can't hear you. Oh yeah, that's satisfying right there. Get all of that cleaned up. Good, good, good. Love it. Now, a better way to do this is to not do what I just did, but a better way to do it is to actually pull this down, look inside and go, oh my gosh, this is terrible. And you can undo this whole thing, take it down. Now you can see what's underneath the underside, and we can see what's inside all of this. And we can clean up all of that. Then put the grill back on, and we're golden for another, who knows how long until I think of this again. Okay, the bonus, right here. The floor grate where the heat comes out. Now on the top, we keep this clean all the time. That's very easy. However, what you really want to look at, if I can get this out, is underneath. Yeah, all of this stuff. Not good. So, fire up the loud machine. Give this a quick once over. And voila. In fact, now that I see it, I see a little bit blowing in the wind here. So, we give that a clean. Flip this back over. Slide it in. And we're good. So, 7 places that could be gross, that need to be addressed. Take a close look around your bathroom. There are all kinds of top of medicine cabinets, top of curtains or blinds, underside of a toilet. There's a million of them. I just picked 7 of them. So I'm glad you kind of joined me, and I look forward to seeing you again. Thank you.